Everybody, meteorologist Derek Beasley here with the Maryland Weather Network, keeping a close eye on the threat for some strong to severe storms here later this afternoon and this evening. Right now, we're just dealing with hot and humid conditions across the area, with many locations with heat index values over 100 degrees. But we're tracking these storms now that are trying to develop across parts of southwest Pennsylvania, into West Virginia, as well as southeast Ohio. Notice that we've got severe thunderstorm warnings just across the border from Garrett County over into West Virginia. These storms are going to be tracking eastward. You can see how they're just kind of clustered up there from Pittsburgh all the way back towards Morgantown and into southeast Ohio. They're going to gradually track into western Maryland over the next several hours. So I think the threat over the next 2 to 3 hours will be west of 81. And then as we get closer to sunset, they may try to get closer to I-95. Right now, we're not expecting a widespread event across our region, just a few widely scattered storms. Only about a 20% chance for some storms here for this evening, but we do have a level 2 slight risk in the yellow here for the possibility of damaging winds, with the greatest threat for more significant winds in the red area here. That's a 30% probability where we could see some strong damaging wind gusts with some of the storms. And it gets even larger here for tomorrow. I think Friday is going to have a bigger severe weather threat during the afternoon as a stronger wave of low pressure interacts with that very hot and humid air here across the region. And of course, we're going to be watching the storms this evening, and our forecast model basically shows here by this evening those storms moving through western Maryland and then eventually getting towards the I-95 corridor. Looks like between about the 7 and 9 o'clock time frame, although the storms should be widely scattered by that point as they approach the interstate. High temperatures for Friday are going to be back into the mid 90s across the area. Heat advisory has been reissued for tomorrow for more high heat indices across the region. So again, the threat for severe thunderstorms really going to be highest west of our area, across areas west of I-81. But as the storms approach I-95, there's enough heat and humidity for them to thrive on as they get a little bit closer to central Maryland. I'll keep an eye on them here for you throughout the afternoon and the evening and give you the latest updates as conditions warrant. Stay safe and stay cool.